how do I hide outdoor extension cords for Christmas lights? Because you don't want grandma tripping over them coming up the sidewalk. That's not fun for anybody. Okay, so how do you hide them? Hey, let's give your property a little TLC. It's almost the holiday season. Christmas lights are a great way to make your home and yard look more Christmassy on cold winter days. But you also need several extension cords to power your outdoor Christmas decorations. Visitors are less likely to trip and fall on well-lit pathways. However, one issue that we'll almost certainly face is how to conceal the wires or extension cords. If you want to give your outdoor space the best appearance, you must properly conceal all the electrical components. When left outside, electrical wires can be unsightly and a hazard if tripped over or stepped on. Gotta remember, you got pets, you got small children, DoorDash, you might have Amazon, you got people running all over your property and you don't want exposed cords. So the best solution is to hide them. But this isn't always possible when the wires are long. Bury the wires underground or use a cable or wire raceway. Here's the process. Install the lights in your outdoor area first. Just get all your lights up and out. Allow yourself a few days to observe how your yard appears at night before burying the wires. In this manner, you can make any necessary modifications to the light's positioning before the wires are buried. Use zip ties to bundle the wires once everything is in order. This keeps them tidy and orderly. Then pass them through a PVC pipe that has been hollowed out. They will be better protected by the PVC pipe, which will prevent the soil or foreign objects from damaging them. The last step is to create a short trench that is 6 to 12 inches deep. Place the soil back on top of the pipe after it has been buried in the trench. Any sod you took out during the process should be replaced so the grass can regrow there. If you don't want to dig up the yard yourself to install lighting, consider routing the wires through your gutters. This enables to run the wires closer to the location where the lighting is installed. Use copper pipes, wood molding, or other decorative elements as conduit for the wires. So there you have it. Extending extension cords outside your home to illuminate your holiday decorations is not that difficult. But keep in mind that you're dealing with electric. When extension cords are used carelessly, accidents can occur. To ensure that you and your family can enjoy a warm outdoor glow and a safe holiday, TLC Incorporated would love to customize your lighting plan and properly stow away all extension cords. Contact us now and let's make it happen. If you learned from this video, please subscribe and share. And again, we'll see you on the next one. If you are enjoying these tips and tricks from TLC, hit the like and subscribe button to receive these weekly.